Hey friends, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. We are going to go over the medicinal garden area and the things we're planting in this area. Got the seed packets here. Not everything germinated for me, so I was going to direct seed some things, but let's go over the list. And on the screen you'll see the medicinal properties and the uses. I'm in the process of researching that, so I'm not going to verbally discuss it now. Pause on the screen if there's anything you wanted to read more closely. And then in the fall, depending on how we use these, if we harvest the roots on the second year, like some things will say, or if we harvest the leaves and the flower buds and the roots at the end of the season or beginning, whatever, I'm going to freeze all those things, and then in the fall, we're going to make our different uses, whether it's a tea, a tincture, a salve, whatever you call it. However you use these things for their reasons, we're going to do that together in the fall. So right now we're just planting and going over their uses. First thing, lavender did not germinate for me. Wormwood germinated very well. I keep getting wormwood and mugwort mixed up. I don't know why. Feverfew, marshmallow, echinacea, it's echinacea, yarrow, it's white yarrow, ashwagandha, hyssop, it's not anise, it's not hyssop, it's not anise and it's not anise hyssop, it's just hyssop. Lemon balm, bee balm, lemon balm and bee balm and wild bergamot, there's like 3 different ones that are used interchangeably. So it's kind of hard to tell which is which because the names get mixed up. So I planted all 3 and all 3 seedlings look different. I'm looking at them right now. So I don't know. We'll figure out what we're going to do with them. Lovage, St. John's wort did not germinate for me, so I might have to try to direct sow that. I still got open spots in here. Mugwort, anise. So not anise hyssop, just anise. We're not doing any anise hyssop, and I don't know why there's anise, there's hyssop, and there's anise hyssop. I Googled it, like what's the difference and why, and they are 3 different things, and I don't know why they couldn't just pick a different name for some of them, or pick a different name for the anise hyssop instead of combining the 2. Anyways, moving on. Moringa dwarf tree. This will be an annual, but it grows so fast, and we'll use the leaves. And yeah, we'll treat it like an annual. Plant 1, which I need to do. It's definitely direct sowing time. Elecampane did not germinate for me. Will be turmeric and ginger, and then burdock, a Takenagawa burdock, and chervil or chervil. It's like a parsley, but it has a use. And we have horsetail. What else? Oh, mullein. I didn't say mullein. I direct sowed the mullein and it hasn't come up, so I have to try that again. Anyway, so that is and holy basil and cinnamon basil. Yeah. That is what we're trying this year for medicinal uses. There's so many things out there. I didn't want to go and buy all the seed packets. I wasn't sure if I'd have enough room because I just want this area, 28 spots, like 28 square feet basically is what you can look at it. So 28 spots for these things, and I didn't want to exceed that. So I bought a variety pack of medicinal herbs, and then I had a few random ones already here and there. So we'll see what grows. We'll see how we use them. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have, of any of the things that I mentioned, and you have opinions on those as far as how to use them and good ways, their uses and good ways to create something out of them, feel free to let me know. I would love to hear it and add it to my list. I'm basically just typing up a list of all the things and keeping it organized because there's no way I'm going to memorize everything anyways. And if you have a suggestion on a medicinal herb, like a must-have that I should definitely grow next year, leave that in the comments too, because I would love to hear your opinions. And dandelion, I harvested dandelion. Okay, so the garden area is organic, so anywhere there was a dandelion that popped up in March and April, I dug it out, cleaned the roots off real good, and froze it. And then the echinacea, we dug up, transplanted some of it here, which is getting pretty big, and then a whole bunch of it got cleaned off and thrown in the freezer as well. Yeah, let me know what you think. So I will see you in the fall. If you're subscribed, I will see you next video. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for being here, and I will see you later. Bye.